We're here today, gathered at the CJC Gymnasium to witness the first ever Mitolohiyang Pilipino Eco Vogue by CJC Junior High School students, showcasing creativity in innovative ways, using recycled materials, while uplifting the rich and diverse collection of traditional stories, beliefs the Philippines have passed down through generations.
Hubarin ang takot sa iyong damdaming ipamalas ang angking galing. Tumayong buong tapang harapin ang buhay, akapin ang tagumpay. Tulungan ang kapwa at bigyang halaga, huwag hatakin ng pababa. Isipin huwag sana ang sarili lang, pakisama't bayanihan. Subukan nating isulong at ligawan ang magandang bukas. Ikaw at ako magkasama tayo sa bungin ng kinabukasan.
Mostly we used old modules during the pandemic, and also like mga tela used mga old na clothes na among gi-cut and then gi-put into our costume.
Materials that they use for that? Mostly mga recycled materials po kasi yun po yung nasa nasa criteria.
I think the introduction, they gave off their full energy during that time.
Siguro yung skit kasi nakikita talaga yung mga talents lang nila.
We just decided that as a group, consider na mo ang mga opinions nila, ilang personality na kung sa ilang gusto, then give up lang na mo among best para at ang skit.
Kami talaga yung nun, and hindi po namin alam kung paano i-connect si Mapulon and yung Tiyanak. So, ginawa na lang po namin since si Mapulon ay isa sa manipulate ng araw, and then so naisip namin na mas okay mapakita yung kung gaano maghirap yung mga magsasaka ganon, then yung issue na teenage pregnancy.
The importance of this event is my students, especially the grade 10 students, they will have a deep sense of understanding when it comes to mythology Filipino. Kasi it's so sad na marami silang alam sa kanluraning mythology of kanluraning, just like Greece, Roman, and so on. But our mythology, Filipino mythology, nakakalungkot lang because they don't have such knowledge when it comes to mythology. That's important. And having this program, they will appreciate the richness of our culture.